Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I'm about to unbox this parcel that I received from Janet Collection with you guys. So let's open it to see what's inside. Here is it. As you can see, it's an extension braiding hair. Yeah, it came with this rattle comb, very beautiful pinky. This is another one. Yes, it's 2 combs in there as a gift. So here is the extension hair. They sent me 4 packs of the extension hair, as you can see, 4 packs, and this came in color 1B. Yes, 1B and 60 inches. Yes, this is very long, 60 inches, and it says it's pre-sectioned and pre-stretched. Wow, this will surely save some time. As it's written on the package, they have it in different colors as well. No tangles, pre-section, pre-divided hair. It also says it's water resistant, antibacterials and itchy free. This is perfect for those people that have itchy scalp whenever they use extension hair to braid their hair. This extension hair is treated already, so there is no call for alarm whatsoever or to be afraid of having an itchy scalp. Okay, this is treated hair, very soft and lightweight, very lightweight, not heavy at all. So let me open it to see how it is divided. You can see they pre-sectioned it and divided it into sections. As you can see, they have it divided. So in here there is 12 individual extension hair, so you can get 12 braids out of the one I'm holding. You can see 12 braids out of that. The link to this hair will be in the description area for you guys. I'm about to make a wig with this extension hair. Here is my wig cap. As you can see, I'll be using a 4x4 woman hair closure for the wig. So I'm going to sew down the closure onto the wig cap. Then I'll start braiding. Continue watching to see how the wig will turn out. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and feel free to check the description area for the link to where you can find the extension hair.
lucky. Feel so lucky, feel so 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 lucky. You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love, you're feeling something, hey, you cannot control. Just in time you came, and you changed all my perspective. Just in time you came, and I love it, I love it. It's so great to have you in my life, make me feel so lucky, yeah. It's so great to have you in my life, make me feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, feel so, feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, feel so, feel so lucky. Feel so lucky, feel so, feel so lucky. Feel so lucky, feel so lucky. You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love, you're feeling something, hey, you cannot control. Just in time you came, and you changed all my perspective. Just in time you came, and I love it, I love it. It's so great to have you in my life, make me feel so lucky, yeah. It's so great to have you in my life, make me feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, feel so, feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, feel so, feel so lucky. Feel so lucky, feel so, feel so lucky. Feel so lucky, feel so lucky. You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love, you're feeling something, hey, you cannot control. Just in time you came, and you changed all my perspective. Just in time you came, and I love it, I love it. It's so great to have you in my life, make me feel so lucky, yeah. It's so great to have you in my life, make me feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, feel so, feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, feel so, feel so lucky. Feel so lucky, feel so, feel so lucky. Feel so lucky, feel so lucky. lucky.